Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters to your Instagram live. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, in here you just click on the plus icon at the top. Click on it, and then in here you just click on the live. Click on the live at the bottom. And in here you can add the filters. In here you can see many filters. You can use the filter that you want. And after this, in here you just click on this one or this one, like this. And after this, if you wanna start a live, so you just click this one. Checking connection, you can please waiting, and so outline so that if you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.